Welcome to this tutorial on how to build a HubSpot website using 3 different methods. Whether you're brand new to HubSpot or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to hubspot.com. Log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up to access HubSpot's full website building features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything. From here, navigate to the Content menu to begin creating your website. Next, go to the Website Pages section. This is where you can manage existing pages and create new ones. It's the backbone of your website, so getting familiar with this area is essential. Click the Create button to start a new design. HubSpot offers a variety of templates which save time and help maintain a consistent look across your site. When selecting a template, you can choose from landing pages, blog layouts, service pages, and more. The right template ensures your site stays aligned with your brand and provides the best possible experience for your visitors. As you move forward, remember that HubSpot's interface is designed to be intuitive. Each step builds on the last, making it simple to create a professional website that supports your business goals. Before we wrap up, here's one key point. Building your website is only the beginning. Keeping your content fresh and updated is just as important. Regular updates help maintain audience engagement and ensure your site stays relevant. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to add new pages or make adjustments. HubSpot gives you the flexibility to expand and refine your site over time. Thank you for watching this full 2025 guide on building a HubSpot website. Best of luck in creating a site that grows with your brand and achieves lasting success.